Okay. Okay. So, this is basically you have come to now third sem. Okay. In this sem, I will be taking you a subject. Okay. I will be 1 second. Admit. Okay. I will be taking you a subject called as discrete mathematical structures. Okay. I will be taking you a subject called as discrete mathematical structures. Okay. So I will be taking you 1 second. Okay. I will be taking you a subject called as the discrete mathematical structures. Okay. Wherein here it is also a type of a subject. Okay. First and foremost, it is also a type of a subject which is related to digital logic. In second sem nag odir ನೀವು ಏನಂತ ಓದಿರಿ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಓದಿವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಓದಿವಿ AND gate OR gate then we have studied NOT gate XOR hang ಓದಿ so here also we are going to study those types okay so ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ side ಗೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ first okay we'll keep all those things side but before going to that here what is actually okay discrete mathematical structures andre ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ okay okay so in this we have first chapter that is mathematical logic 1 okay the first chapter for us is what mathematical logic 1 okay so first and foremost discrete means what for us different for example I'll tell you water is flowing continuously okay that is what continuous opposite of continuous is what discrete andre enu namaga basically what is the meaning of a discrete for us part agi okay part okay so of course mathematical structures is what by using some calculations by using some logic we are going to find out here the result then what is actually logic here logic is nothing but reasoning logic is nothing but what for us reasoning reason antandre ನಾವು for example what is actually reasoning we give some thought to our brain okay we give some thought to our brain it henga for example AND gate henga AND gate work agtada we give some thought right so similarly logic is nothing but a reasoning okay reasoning so here what type of a reasoning ಯಾವ type of a reasoning we want here okay yeah which type of a reasoning we want here some symbolic reasoning okay we want some symbolic reasoning what is the meaning of a symbolic reasoning what is actually symbol in terms of a symbol okay in terms of symbol and by using some reasoning concept I am going to solve the problems so first chapter will be what for us first chapter will be all about the reasoning and symbolic type of reasoning so this symbolic reasoning symbol ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು for example digital logic ನಾವು ಏನು ಓದಿವಿ ನಾವು symbol ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ not gate okay we used to study not gate then we used to study about AND gate then we used to study OR gate so we have studied so many types of a gate Then what is actually symbol? Symbol is nothing but what? Not andre we used to put like this, and I used to put dot, or I used to put plus. Okay, these are nothing but what for us? Symbols. Okay. Similarly here also. Okay, here also I have the symbolic type of a reasoning. ಈ ತರ ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ, like not ಈ ತರ and ಈ ತರ ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ, but what is the concept here? We are going to use some different symbol. ಅಂದ್ರೆ not getting ಬೇರೆ symbol ಇರ್ತದ, and getting ಇನ್ನೊಂದು symbol, or getting ಇನ್ನೊಂದು symbol. So ಹಿಂಗ ನಾವು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು symbols ತಗೊಂಡು problems ನ solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so this is a mathematical logic ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? Reasoning. Okay, it is one of the symbolic type of a reasoning which we are going to use for our problem solving. Okay, so ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಿಷನ್ಸ್? Okay, proposition. Okay, what is actually proposition? A proposition, first I will tell the statement. First definition ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ examples ಕೊಟ್ಟು explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, okay, so proposition is what for us actually? Proposition is a declaration. Remember, proposition is what for us? Okay, proposition is nothing but a declaration proposition is nothing but a declaration. Declaration ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Declaration of what? Declaration of statement. Okay, proposition is what for us? Proposition is nothing but a declaration. Okay, proposition is nothing but a declaration of statement which can be true or false. Okay, which can be what? True or false. Can be true or false. So the first definition or a first word what we are going to study in the first chapter is proposition. What is actually proposition? Proposition is nothing but it is a declaration of a statement. Or for example, think here. For example, think here. I have declared one statement. Okay, I have declared one statement. So that statement, for example, even a statement helping. For example, Bangalore is in Karnataka. Take an example. Bangalore is in Karnataka. What is that actually? Bangalore is in Karnataka. I have declared. Okay, I have declared what? Bangalore is in Karnataka. What is the meaning of that? Whether it is true? Yes, it is true. For example, if I tell Bangalore, okay, Bangalore is in Tamil Nadu. I give a declaration that Bangalore is in Tamil Nadu. Whether that is a declaration? Yes. Declaration ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಈಗ ಒಂದೇನೋ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Today is a holiday. ಮುಗೀತು ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಷನ್, ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Yes or no? Okay. For example, the college head will declare what? Today is a holiday or tomorrow is a holiday. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಅವ್ರು ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತು, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡೋಷ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. That is final. So what I will declare now? Bangalore is in Tamil Nadu. Declare. Declare ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ. Whether it is true? No, it is not true. So proposition ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It is a declaration. Okay, it is a declaration of what? Declaration of a statement which can be true or false. True ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು, false ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು. Okay, I think you have understood. First remember, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ರೇನೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ, or else ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Okay, so proposition is what? It is a declaration given which can be either true, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? True ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು, false ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅದ್ರ ಇಷ್ಟ. Okay, true ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು, false ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು. True ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? True is nothing but what for us? Its value will be 1. Okay, true is nothing but 1, false is 0. As we know, true ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1, okay, false ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 0. So this is how the first concept, that is proposition. Okay, next we'll see one example. Okay, how we are going to define proposition? Proposition, it is a declaration of a statement which can be either true or false. True antandre 1, false andre 0. Antandre enu? For example, I declared here. Okay, the proposition. Okay, the proposition basically they are represented as, okay, the representation of a proposition. The representation of a proposition can be given as small p, q, r, s, t, so on. Small letters kodbekille. One thing you remember, we need to give what? Small letters, that is, it can be whether p, it can be a q, it can be r, s, t, so on. Okay, for example, I give here P is equal to, okay, P is equal to Bangalore is in Karnataka. Okay, I give here Bangalore is in Karnataka. What is this? P is equal to true or P is equal to 1. It is true value, right? It is true value, so it is nothing but what for is 1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ the truth value ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Okay, the truth value of a proposition P is 1. The truth value, one second. Okay, the truth value of a proposition P is 1. For example, is in Tamil Nadu. For example, Bangalore is in Tamil Nadu anta ankodತೀವಿ example. Okay, for example, I give here Bangalore is in Karnataka. Bangalore is in Tamil Nadu. Hangandre ಏನೀಗ ನಮಗ P is false. Whether this proposition andre enu, this is declaration. Okay, proposition andre enu, idu one declaration ಕೊಟ್ಟಿವಿ ನಾವು. Bangalore is in Tamil Nadu. This is what declaration. Whether this declaration is correct for us? No, this is declaration is wrong. So proposition will be false. Okay, proposition will be false. Okay, proposition is false and hence this will be 0. Proposition is false, this will be 0 and hence the truth value of this proposition is also 0. Truth value antandre, another one thing I want to tell you, truth value andre bari truth antalla. Truth value will be 1 when declaration or proposition is true. Okay, the truth value will be 0 when proposition is true. The truth value will be false when proposition is what for us? False. For example, I write here. See here. Truth value will be true. The truth value will be true or 1 when proposition is true. Okay, the truth value will be true when the proposition is true. Similarly, the truth value will be false or 0. The truth value will be false or 0 when proposition is false. Okay, these two are very important here. So truth value andre bari true antalla, one proposition irtuda, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ನ ಪಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಥವಾ ಆರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಟಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕೋ ಅದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಜನರಲಿ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2-3 ಪ್ರಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಟ್ರೂ ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಟ್ರೂನೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಟ್ರೂ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ it is represented as first declaration. Proposition ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಷನ್, ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರೂ ಆರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಈ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ನಾಗ ಒನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ನಮ್ಗ ಟ್ರೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದ. ಟ್ರೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಟ್ರೂನೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ರೂಲ್. ಟ್ರುತ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು, ಟ್ರೂನೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಟ್ರೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಇರ್ತದ when proposition is true, truth value will be false or 0 when proposition is false. Okay, this is what for us a simple concept or definition of a proposition and their truth value. Now we'll see the examples. Okay, here they are given us some 4 examples of propositions. Okay, first, Bangalore is in Karnataka. Second, every rectangle is a square. Take a triangle ABC. Okay, take a triangle ABC. I'll explain this. Second, xy is equal to yx. Okay, xy is equal to y. So these two are propositions. Propositions andre ಏನು ನಮ್ಗ, I have told you, again I am repeating, proposition is nothing but what? It is a declaration which can be true or either false. For example, Bangalore is in Karnataka. Simple example, Bangalore is in Karnataka. Means what here? What is the meaning of a Bangalore is in Karnataka? Wait a second. One second. Okay, Bangalore is in Karnataka. It is nothing but what for us? It is a declaration which is a true statement. Okay, it is a true. Whereas every rectangle is a square. Okay, every rectangle is a square. Whether it is correct? No, it is false. It is nothing but false here. So Bangalore is in Karnataka is true, whereas every rectangle is a square is nothing but what for us? It is a false statement. So both are what for us? Propositions. Whereas consider here, take a triangle ABC. Andre eno one yado triangle tagori ant heltina. It is not a declaration, right? It is not a declaration. So this is not a proposition. Not a proposition. Even similarly, xy is equal to yx. Xy is equal to yx antandre eno? We don't know what is x. We don't know what is y. Okay, but the condition is if they are real numbers, then only it will be a proposition. If the real numbers andre eno, fractions irtava, decimals irtava, integers irtava, negative numbers irtava, ellanu irtava. So if they are real numbers, then it will be a proposition, or else it will not be a proposition. It will not be a proposition because x is not known and y is not known. Okay, x is not known and y is not known. So this is how actually this is actually a definition of what for a proposition. How actually it is defined. proposition is a declaration. It can be true or it can be false. Whereas this one, take a triangle and help in on. Take a triangle. Well, what it is actually, we don't know whether it is declaration. No, it is not a declaration. So these two are not declarations. This is a declaration or it is a proposition. So today's class, just remember what is proposition, what is not proposition. In the next class, I will be going with the continuation of the subject. Okay. So this will be end of today's class. In the next class, I will continue with the further topics of this. Okay. Okay, fine. I'm going to just take. I'll take the attendance. Wait for a while, everybody. Okay, wait for a while. Can anybody just unmute and tell me what are the queries? Do you have any queries with this regarding to voice and audio? Anybody? I'll unmute here. One second. One second. Sudhanva, you can unmute your audio. Sudhanva, where you are there? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a second. Okay.